Just as I was about to dig, I saw something on the ground. The signal was good. Wow, look at that! Where I'm going in this weather? Hi friends! I'm going to a cool field where there was a good find. Huh, what is it? I haven't even got into the field yet. And I've already seen something interesting. If it's copper, it'll be a great find. Alright, let's go hunting. There was an old village in that far field. All we have to do is cross the ditch, but it's okay. The first find is a large buckshot. I'm late again. Someone's footprints are already here. If there are furrows on the field, it's better to walk across them, so that there are fewer skips. And here is someone else missed find. The signal wasn't very good. Doesn't seem to be copper. Yes, it's a USSR coin. Wow. 1936. 20 kopecks, USSR. Great, I got a first coin. And it looks like it's starting to rain. The next coin, it's very similar to the previous one. 20 kopecks again. Oh, it's 1952. Oh. Oh my friends, I just dug out a rasp, but I'm afraid it's no longer fit for purpose. And there was another treasure hunter in the field. I'll put a mark and move on. Look how many traces. Oh, there is a good signal near this stone. Oh, some piece of copper. With holes. I found a nice horse jewelry. Now I'm going up the hill. Very strong signal and no tip. Oh, I see it with my pinpointer. And here it is.
Hey.
Look what we have here. A Soviet coin. Oh, 1932. 3 kopecks. Someone out there riding a helicopter. And this signal was much better. Right after that 3 kopecks. Oh, so tiny coin. Oh, this is a half a kopek. The smallest Soviet coin. Wow. 1925? Yeah. Nice. We've got a bullet. Well, that comrade doesn't come to me. He's probably scared of the current. Oh, look at the curved tags. Maybe it's made that way to jump on someone from a corner? There was a strong signal just now, and just as I was about to dig it, I looked closer. And there it was. It's a coin. Yes, it's a coin. And now it's a 2 kopecks, yes? Yeah. Oh, look. 1957. Extra fine condition. It's pity it's not a 1927. Once again, we find a Soviet coin. Oh, look, it's just like a gold. Wow. Gold of Communist Party. USSR, 1949. Great. I've got a great signal. Just listen to it. And just when I'm about to dig, look what we got sticking out. Coin. And signal was good. Oh wow.
Whoa.
Just look, my dear. It's a billion. Silver 15 kopecks. Soviet. 1925. Whoa. Was beautiful. A nice relief coin. That's a lucky. I'm very happy. Because silver is always nice.
Класс.
I've got a lot of shell casings, a whole bunch of junk. Still an hour and a half till sunset. It's here. Very nice signal. Here. Oh, sunny. Well. Where is this? There's something here.
О. О. Ха.
Oh, that's a coin after all, friends. I'm not wrong. A small copper coin.
О.
Look, it's an empire. Nicholas I.
Ох, класс.
Judging by the size of it, it's денежка. 1/4 kopek. We just had another bad signal. Look, there's already a whole bag of it. Falling out. But that signal wasn't a cork at all. I'm shocked. I hope you are happy now too. Just look at this. Just look at this. Oh, what a beauty. My God.
О. О.
Oh, just look, what an eagle. Ah, Jesus. I haven't seen that yet. I see a rider. It's definitely the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth. I guess I won't wrap it. I'm going crazy. Just look. I can see the exact year. 50 something. Wow! Look at this silver. It's 16th century. I've never found one before. I've been walking around for about 20 minutes, and so far I've only found this cartridge. Look, there's that hole where I dug up the silver. So I've been pacing back and forth. And here was the signal. Now let you listen to it. And there the coin lies. The coin. It's green, but I think it's silver. Oh yes. It's a silver shilling. So-called Christinka, or Christine. Silver solid. Oh, the sun is setting. That's nothing.
О,
Just look at that moon. I'll dig by moonlight. I dug up another horseshoe. It's definitely good luck. I hope to dig up more silver. Or gold. When it was a cup, someone was drinking tea. I think it was old, imperial. The lights are already on. The sun has set. You guys are about to be surprised, because I've got another find. Now it's shiny, look at that. This just can't be.
о,
Wow, wow. It's some kind of silver halfpenny again, or polygrosh. Oh, what a beautiful eagle there is. I think it's Regimont Vaza. But what a luxury silver. How it's shiny. Oh, look how unusual it is. Here is an unusual arrangement of the overs and rivers. But it's in another coin. Oh, someone bit off a piece of coin. Oh, what a beauty, what a beauty. I'm just speechless. You can see my happy face. Well, you can see the glint of the moon on this coin. I've got a special candy for this occasion. Man, I can't get this on camera. The back is already overflowing with trash. One copy of 1924. After silver, this coin is not very impressive, but I'll take it. It's interesting, friends. I've got some button with a crown. Look. And the next find is a one imperial Kopek. 1905? Yes. Oh my god, it's almost dead. And the next find is a big lead seal. Interesting. I got a very nice signal. Oh. Maybe it's a good place? There is something here. Oh, guys. nice. It's a big coin.
Oh.
Finally, a big empire. Look.
Yeah.
It's a 3 kopecks. And not bad condition. Those lights is the highway. And I've got the next good signal, friends. I thought I've done, but no. What a coin. Oh, listen. Could it be silver again? Yes. Yeah, silver. 1924. 10 kopecks. I can't believe. The coin is quite well preserved. So friends, here are the results of our search. And they are totally unexpected. Just look at this beauty. That's exactly the kind of coin I'm looking for, but it's very rare. I found a total of 23 coins, which is not bad in itself. I also added to my collection of lead seals. Let's admire the silver coins a little more. 1547. An amazing coin. Almost perfect condition. And the second coin is in even better condition. Even the feathers on the eagle's wings are visible. 1558. A little younger coin. I'm so happy. Thanks for watching. You can support me on Patreon if you wish.